Dhol, it is often called the whistling dog. They communicate by whistling and screaming at a high pitch. Their strong communication system enables them to hunt efficiently. On an early morning safari at the Bandipur Tiger Reserve, we came across a pack of 5 wild dogs. Dholes are fearless hunters. They hunt in packs and the team is very quick and ruthless in pulling down the prey. They have a tendency to feed on the prey even before killing it. The dhole is a charismatic carnivore and presents a very interesting sight. The dogs had been following an isolated prey, a deer. The deer seemed to realize the approaching danger. Sensing the immediate danger, the deer dashes into the nearby bush. The pack takes quick action to surround the prey from different directions. As we were unable to see what was happening behind the bush, our guide decided to take the safari vehicle to the other end. We reached the other side behind the bush, expecting to see the kill. Finally, we were able to locate the action spot. The dogs had killed the deer. The dogs hurriedly devour their kill, fearing the possible intervention of any other powerful predator who may be lurking around. They were very busy breaking the bones and tearing the flesh. They are sleek in structure. They have a brownish red thick coat with a bushy black tail. Their broad sharp jaws and prominent head give them a fearful look. Dominant group of powerful male dogs can easily challenge a tiger. Watch them dragging the kill to a safer location in the last part of this documentary. hurriedly swallow large chunks of meat and later on regurgitate to their younger ones. The alpha male is very alert and keeps looking around. Unfortunately, the dhole has been included in the red list of endangered species declared by the IUCN. Today their presence is prominent in northeast, central parts of India and Western Ghats. Having gone through a very good meal, they decided to drag the kill to a safer location.